So we got the long here on the bullish engulfing, the hammer candle. We went our first target and then we went to the second target, 26.30. Went beyond that, but that doesn't matter. I got both my targets here on the daily charts. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday 25 September 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the New Zealand, the Aussie and the pound, and short on the yen, the US and the Swiss franc. So we're back after a long weekend in South Africa, so let's first kick off with the dollar index. Quite a bearish candle that we got there yesterday on the news coming out, and it was very dollar weak. So definitely still staying bearish. There's nothing else I can say about dollar index. I just stay bearish. You can see my intraday indicator stays bearish. Short term, medium and long term, everything tells me to be short on the dollar. Gold fly up during the long weekend to my target. So we got the long here on the bullish engulfing, the hammer candle. We went our first target and then we went to the second target, 26.30. Went beyond that, but that doesn't matter. I got both my targets here on the daily charts. On the 4-hour charts, we had the breakout there I showed you on Friday before I left for the long weekend, and that came in there and also hit all the targets. So beautiful trades on gold and lovely entries. So now on the daily charts, I would like to see a retracement back to this area here, which is the 25.30 level. So it's about $120 retracement I need on the dailies before I will even consider taking another long on the daily chart. However, on the 4-hour charts, if I draw in a Fibonacci from this low to that high, you'll see a nice structure coming in there at around about 26.40. So I'm going to look for the markets there for some form of a reversal. But as long as the dollar stays bearish. But at this stage, it looks good. So a decent retracement just back to the 26.40 levels. That's the area. Once it hits that level and I see some nice candle reversals, then I'll consider definitely some longs there. Bitcoin catching a little bit of a bit over the weekend, selling off on the long upper shadow. Yesterday up, now retracing a little bit yet again. Big levels needs to be taken out, $65,000 levels. But as I've showed you last week, the head and shoulders, there's the shoulder, the head, the shoulder, the neckline, the break, that was all fine. We could see a retracement. Trend has turned bullish, no problem with that. We could see another retracement to $59,500 levels. So that's all possible, but that would be the coup de grace. If we can get a bounce from there, I think then we're in for a great run up the page, as I've showed you, up to about $80,000 minimum target objective. Not the full target objective. I still believe we're going to see 100,000 before the end of this year, but that's what I see on the short-term side of things. So I'm not chasing ridiculously. I got a little bit in here also on the breakout. I do my dollar averaging plus a little bit on the breakout on the neckline, but if it comes back down there, and it then gives me a strong counter reversal, that'll be first price for me. Then I can do a decent trade there on the daily charts. Other than that, I'm holding on tight. If you look at the rest of the crypto space here, Dogecoin here, you'll see here after the break, the retest I showed you, quite nice strong bounce. Polkadot also the break, the retest and a nice candle bounce. So that all worked out very well. Ethereum the same, the breakout, the retest, and then the bounce. So that's all good there. XRP battling a little bit there. Solana also the break. We haven't seen a retest, but trend is changing. Triangle, so also looking good. Bitcoin Cash, we saw the channel coming down. The breakout wasn't that strong, so I wasn't that keen here. XLM, we saw the break. Busy retesting, no reversal there yet. And then Chainlink also the break, the retest, strong counter reversal there. If I zoom in, you'll see most of them gave you nice bullish engulfings here over the long weekend here. So crypto is starting to see some bullishness into the year end. That would be absolutely awesome. We look at Uniswap just going absolutely nowhere, and Cardano unfortunately battling, but we got a little bit of a falling trend line here. A very strong run up the page yesterday. So a retest would not be bad at all, but we also need a break of this trend line. I like this trend line more. I think that'll be a better bullish signal than what we saw down here. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Inside BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then turning to the currency pairs, New Zealand Swiss, New Zealand green zone, Swiss red zone, wanna be long, testing the level already. Structure coming in there at 61% level, testing the level. New Zealand very strong. I wanna be long here. I'm just gonna wait for the bulls to prove themselves here on a nice strong candle reversal later today. We look at the New Zealand CAD. Also, again, you can see New Zealand long. CAD neutral, not after that, but the New Zealand is a place. I want to look for the retracement at 61% level. Right, the structure coming in there, lots of resistance, strong break, retest, counter reversal. I'll take some longs. Similar, New Zealand yen. New Zealand, all the sparkle, yen bottom of the pile. I would love to see a retracement back to this 50-61% level at structure here. I will not buy anything up higher there, but if I get a retracement, then I'll look for some long candle pattern reversals. Aussie US, Aussie, well, second strongest. US in the red zone, so I want to be long here, but I want to get a retracement back to structure there right at 61% level. If I can get a counter reversal there, I'll consider some longs. Euro Australian dollar, busy retracing of this directional swing here, retracing back to 50-61% level, structure coming in there. I need a counter reversal there, then I'm going to take some shorts. Euro yen consolidating into a nice candle pattern. I'm looking for a breakout there, a retest and a counter reversal. Euro neutral, not after that, but I'm after the yen short. And that is a way to get yen short by going long. Yeah, but nice pattern, but I need this to be confirmed and turn into structure with a solid break, a retest and a counter reversal that the market confirms that we've got structure and support, and then I will take the long. Pound New Zealand. Well, pound green zone, New Zealand, all the sparkle. So not one of my favorite setups, but the trend is brand new. If I can get a retracement back to the 61% level, right, the structure there, then I will consider definitely shorting this. Not because I want to be short pound, but because I want to be long on the New Zealand. In the New Zealand US strong run on my mentoring group, we are long from down here on the end of day trade, and we've added on the way up. Beautiful long we've got there. Haven't got to targets yet, but looking great. But New Zealand, all the sparkle. US, well, second worst of them all, red zone. But I would like to see a retracement back to the 50% or the 61%. Those two levels is the levels I will be watching to see if I can get some strong counter reversals, and then I'll consider some longs. And then the pound US, pound green zone, dollar red zone. I want to be long, retracement back to the 50-61% level. See there, resistance becoming support. I would like to see a test there. Once I get a test on a strong counter reversal, I'll then take some long positions. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.